Welcome back to EduGlance. Transportation is often the most expensive part of any supply chain. It's the physical link that connects your warehouse to your customer. But here's the million-dollar question. Should you send it by sea to save money, or by air to save time? In 2026, the answer isn't just about dollars and cents. It's about carbon footprints and customer expectations. Let's break down the 4 modes of transport. In a long-haul journey, a truck drives at a steady speed for hours. In the last mile, that truck is fighting city traffic, looking for parking, and climbing stairs. If a customer isn't home, the cost of that delivery doubles because you have to do it again tomorrow. The holy grail here is route density. The more packages you can drop on a single street, the more money you save. How do we beat the clock? By moving the inventory closer. In 2026, we use dark stores. These are retail outlets that are closed to the public and serve only as picking hubs for delivery apps. By placing these every 2-3 kilometers in a city, companies like Zepto or Blinkit can promise 10-minute deliveries. We are essentially solving the last mile problem by making the mile shorter. Labor is the biggest cost in the last mile. That's why 2026 is the year of the robot. Drones are now handling emergency deliveries like medicine, while sidewalk robots, or AMRs, are becoming common in university campuses and gated communities. We are also seeing a massive rise in smart locker at metro stations and apartment lobbies, allowing the carrier to drop 50 packages in one spot instead of 50 different doors. Here is a pro-level operational strategy: crowdsourced delivery. Instead of owning 100 vans that sit idle on slow days, companies use a hybrid model. They own a small core fleet and use gig workers to handle the spikes on weekends or during holiday sales. This turns a fixed cost into a variable cost, which is music to ACFO's ears. It's the ultimate way to stay lean while being fast. We can't talk about the last mile without talking about the return mile. In 2026, customers expect free returns. But for a business, a return is a double loss. You lose the sale and you pay for shipping twice. Managing reverse logistics efficiently, checking the quality of the return at the doorstep and getting it back into the sellable pile quickly, is where the real profit is hidden. The last mile is also the dirtiest mile in terms of carbon. In 2026, many cities have started charging congestion taxes on diesel vans. The solution? Electric cargo bikes and EV fleets. Not only are they greener, but in a crowded city like Mumbai or London, a cargo bike is actually faster than a van. Sustainability is now a competitive advantage, not just a CSR goal. The last mile is your brand's final handshake with the customer. Get it right, and you win a loyal fan. Get it wrong, and you lose them forever. This concludes video #10 and the first half of our masterclass. Tomorrow, we move from execution to planning. We'll learn how to predict what customers want before they even know it. Subscribe to EduGlance, and I'll see you in video #11.
Don't forget to subscribe to EduGlance for more career-focused videos.